right, family, here go Nettie, Simple Me Journey. We got the third load coming in. Oh my, look like we got a little overcast. We got one load in the driveway like it was the other day. This is my third load. So when the guy come with the bucket this week, I'm gonna have him a drop off, put the pad, put something here. Family, I took 2 peppers off my peppers, jalapeno pepper branch, and I took 3 cherry tomatoes off today. They were delicious. Oh my God. Let's see if we can get this here. Dumping it down. Here we go. And then don't go up some more with it. Oh, they putting something in another spot. Okay, and we did some here. They're gonna put the rest of it, I guess, right here. There you go. Okay, so he's gonna dump the second load right there. That's gonna build up the front. I don't think my house got on anyway. Alrighty. Wow, look at here. Isn't that nice or what? They give me all every grain I paid for. That's right. That roll out. There you go. Alrighty. Praise the Lord.